Start menu. To do this for the first time, you begin by selecting Start All Programs. From the list of installed programs that display on the Start menu, you then select Microsoft Office. This expands the list of Microsoft Office programs on your computer, and you select Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Once you've opened Excel 2007, it displays a blank document called a workbook. The workbook consists of 3 spreadsheets called worksheets. A worksheet, like other types of spreadsheets, contains rows and columns into which you can enter text, numbers, and formulas. The area above the blank worksheet provides easy access to many of Excel's commands. You use these to interact with worksheets. The Excel 2007 screen, called the Interface, includes these important elements: Microsoft Office button, ribbon, Quick Access Toolbar. To access commands used to manage workbooks in Excel 2007, you use the Microsoft Office button. The menu associated with the Microsoft Office button lists commands that pertain specifically to workbook management, such as New, Open, Save, Print, and Close. A list of the workbooks you've used most recently is also displayed. In this case, there are no recently used workbooks because this is the first time you are using Excel 2007. Finally, there are 2 options on the menu that enable you to manage the way you use Excel. The first button, Excel Options, enables you to access advanced configuration options for Excel. The second button, Exit Excel, enables you to quit Excel. Say you want to open an Excel 2007 workbook titled Easy Nomad Travel Sales, which is saved in your Documents folder. You select the Open option from the menu. Excel launches the Open dialog box. You can then navigate to the Easy Nomad Travel Sales Workbook, select it, and click the Open button. The workbook opens in the main work area, and the title bar at the top of the screen displays its name. In this case, Easy Nomad Travel Sales. Directly under the title bar is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of 7 tabs, each of which contains commands related to performing a core task in Excel. Additional tabs may also become visible when you access advanced Excel features. On each tab, commands are grouped according to what you use them to do. You can access the tabs on the ribbon by clicking them. Alternatively, you can choose to press the Alt key at the same time as a shortcut key for the tab. To open the Insert tab on the ribbon, for example, you can press Alt-N. Each tab on the ribbon contains a different set of commands that you can use to manipulate the workbook and the information in it. Match the ribbon's tab to the action it facilitates. Customize Quick Access toolbar displays above the ribbon and beside the Microsoft Office button by default. It contains commands that you can use to save a workbook and to undo or redo changes you've made. Clicking the Customize Quick Access toolbar icon expands a menu. You can use options on this menu to add other frequently used commands to the toolbar. You can also use options to customize how the ribbon displays. Say you want to minimize the ribbon so that you can see more of the worksheet. The Customize Quick Access toolbar menu is already open. After you've minimized the ribbon, you can click a tab to view and use the commands it contains. When you click anywhere else on the screen or enter data in a cell in the worksheet, Excel 2007 hides the ribbon again. To return the full view of the ribbon to the interface, you open the Customize Quick Access toolbar menu and deselect Minimize the ribbon. The Home tab of the ribbon includes a full range of commands for formatting text. For common formatting commands, however, Excel 2007 provides a shortcut tool called the Mini Toolbar. The Mini Toolbar is a semi-transparent toolbar that appears when you select data in the worksheet. When you position your mouse over the Mini Toolbar or click it, the toolbar becomes fully visible. The commands on the Mini Toolbar enable you to change the formatting of selected data. For example, you can change the format or size of selected text using buttons on the Mini Toolbar. Certain elements of the Excel 2007 interface, directly beneath the ribbon and below the work area, facilitate the navigation and viewing of worksheets. These elements include the Name box, Formula bar, Sheet tab bar, Status bar. The Formula bar displays the contents of a selected cell. For example, the Sheet tab bar displays a list of tabs, one for each worksheet in the workbook. The Status bar displays information about the status of the currently opened file. In this case, it states that the worksheet is ready and available for use. The View selector enables you to choose between three different views. Normal View shows the worksheet cells and headings. Page Layout View shows rulers, margins, and page breaks. And Page Break Preview View enables you to adjust the page breaks. Say you want to view the margins for the current worksheet. You can use the View selector on the... Another way to change how the worksheet displays is, say you want to decrease the size at which your worksheet displays. Alternatively, you can click the... Because the View selector is set to Page Layout and it match the element of the Excel 2007 interface to a task you want to perform. In Excel 2007, you can obtain help, information about Excel 2007 features, and how you use them in several different ways. You can browse the help files, search for specific information on a particular task or feature, clarify the function of a particular command, learn about the function of a dialog box. To browse the help files or to search for information on a specific task, you first need to open Help and How-To page, which displays by default when you first open the Excel Help dialog box, lists categories of help topics that you can browse. Say you want to browse for information on formulas in Excel 2007. You can use the hyperlinks to browse through as well as browsing through the help topics. Say you want to find out how to minimize the ribbon in Excel 2007. Using the search facility in the Excel Help dialog box, you can do a keyword search